Dada, and I launched an AI automation agency a few months ago. And I know that I'm still new to this field and everything, but I want to like share my knowledge and everything. So here I am, and today I'll be showing you an automation which actually is really beneficial for the Shopify owners. As I know, and I've also done Shopify a few years back, I guess. So yeah, I've done it for like 2 years and everything. So I know what the problems and everything we face. So what this automation actually does is that it will actually like take your Shopify and it will watch all the products, and then it will just, whenever you upload a new product, you don't just have to go and manually like upload on every social media platform, but it will do that. It will like go and like see all the products that if any like there's a new product, then it will like go to Pinterest, and then it will take the picture and write a description. This is upload there, and then it will just go and write it on Google Sheets, and then like it will go to ChatGPT, whom I've given like a prompt, and like according to the prompt, it will generate a good and more like a converting description for Instagram, and then it will just go and upload it to Instagram with the picture and also the caption, and then it will just do the same with Facebook, go and upload there, and the same with Twitter. And I've added like another thing that if there's like any abandoned checkout, which is like a really big problem, and what we often do is that we install apps for it, and most of the time the apps are like really costly and everything. So what it will do is that it will just go and see if there's any abandoned checkout, and then it will just go and write it on Airtable, and on Airtable it will just write when it was like abandoned and its detail, price, and everything, and after that it will just go and send them an email to the the person who had the abandoned checkout. So now let me just show you what it does. So first of all, there's like the Shopify. I did just a demo account. So here's everything, like the status is published of the products, and you don't have to like do it or anything. Then I added a router, and in the router, like there's put in to what the router actually does is that I've told in previous videos that the router actually performs in like steps. Okay, so you can't actually just do the Shopify and make it all branches onto here. What you do is you use a router, in the router then like just goes and perform the steps. So the first step is this, second is the Google Sheet, third is the Instagram for our business, fourth is Facebook, fifth is Twitter, and sixth is like the abandoned checkout. So that's what our router does. It just does in steps, and it just moves along and actually connects the whole thing. So let me just move to Pinterest. So what in Pinterest I've done is that I've actually connected a Pinterest account of mine, and then I've just chosen the source type as image URL, and I've like provided the image URL of the product that we'll be getting from the Shopify, and then I've chosen the board that I'll be posting to, and the title that I have to give, and the description, okay, which is the body description which we can actually like give of the Shopify products, which is how you've written there. And then is like the link. Okay, so your URL, you can just type in your URL, whatever it is, and then the products, and then the handle. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the Pinterest video. And then in the Google Sheets, I've connected a Google Drive, and then I've done like a my drive test and everything, and then I've put in the values of like product, created ad, product type, name, variants, price, and everything. You can just add as many things that you want. So then is the ChatGPT one. So I've just connected the ChatGPT with it, and then I've actually like what I've done is that I've added a model, and then it's system. I've chosen the role as system. Okay, you better just leave it as it is, and then I've put in text prompt. Okay, it just says that you have to write a engaging product description. You have just take the product title and description from Shopify and just transform into an Instagram post caption, and then like the tones and guidelines, friendly tone that just resonates with Instagram, and like the format should be to start with a hook and intriguing question, then it should just include the CTA, and then just add the relevant hashtags, and then the minimum length should be just 1 to 3 sentences, because that's pretty much enough for the Instagram post and everything. So and after that you just have to like add 3 or 5 relevant hashtags to your stuff, and then the product title, product description, and just leave the completion tokens as it is. Okay, just don't do it. And after this, I've just done it to connect it to Instagram, and then I've added my page, and then There's a photo URL which I've like taken from the Shopify, like I told you. Okay, so that's it. And then in the caption, I've given the message. Okay, so here you can go. And in choices, you just have to go to message and you can just select this whole like this and it will like show you. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the Instagram one. And then moving on to do the Facebook. I've done this pretty much the same thing, and like in this one too, I've chosen the system and take the product for the Facebook and everything. Like it's just totally the same thing, okay? And then I've connected to Facebook, and in the Facebook connection, I've chosen the page and photo. You just have to select upload a photo. Okay, you can just see the downloaded from the URL directly too, and then you can just choose the title, data, images, and then you just have to write the message, okay, which you can actually like do the caption here too. Go on to choices and then to message and then just okay, and then again to the moving on to the chat GPT for the Twitter. I've just optimized it for Twitter, just the same thing. I've given it a prompt and everything. Okay, so yeah. And then in Twitter, I've just, I told you last time too that Twitter is not really available in my country, so I've just, left it as it is. But yeah, you can just connect, and it's pretty much the same as the Instagram and Facebook and everything. So then finally moving on to the Shopify for abandoned checkouts. So here you can just go and like you can just click on here, add a module, select here Shopify, and here you just have to search for it. Let me just search. So yeah, here it is. So search for abandoned checkouts. You can actually do, I'd actually like prefer you to watch abandoned checkouts cause that it will actually just be instant, okay? So just watch abandoned checkout and then you can actually just replace it here. Yeah, let me just delete this module and change it to this one. Um, yeah, let me just um, let me just unlink it. Yeah, unlink, and here we can like yeah, let me just choose on here. Yeah, here I can just choose for the Shopify and the where it is. Yeah, let me just put it on here. Why is it not happening? Let me just delete that one. I can just choose it again. Shopify, go down. You can actually just choose, here like you've got a lot of things like cancellation request, fulfillment service, and like fulfillment event and everything. You can create a discount code and everything. This just a lot of things here, okay? So let's just go for the abandoned checkout, and then you can just, yeah, and then you can just connect it to the Airtable one. Yeah. So then Airtable, I've just done the billing address, email, created ad, billing address, country. That's actually just a Airtable that I use for like I used for and the bot of mine which I created for another company. So I'm just using that one. So just don't mind the name, appointment date, and everything. And then from the Airtable, it will just look up by itself, and then it will just go on to the according to it will just go to this email one, and then it will just go and email them about after written the email message. So yeah, you can just choose the subject, content, and you can just add a recipient. Here you can just go and here select this email, and in the subject you can just write like abandoned checkout. Yeah, and in content you can just say like hey and the name. You forgot to check. You can just write anything you want, okay? So yeah, let me just select it. Okay, so there's actually a connection that you have to do. So in this Gmail there's a catch, okay? You can't just connect your personal email here. You just have to go and get a professional email, and you can only get that if you want to actually do a personal email. That's actually pretty hectic and long, so you just have to go to like Google API library and everything, and then just go and configure from there. um if you want to like see that, I'll just do it in the next video. You can just ask me in the comments if you want to see that too. And yeah, let me just auto align it, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So like I said last in the first, so actually this is a pretty much a game changer for the Shopify owners, because like you don't have to do everything manually. You can just click on run once, and then it will just run each and everything. It will upload to use Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can either even choose like Telegram or LinkedIn and everything that you want. So you can just upload it anywhere, and your data will even be like stored in Sheets or Airtable and everything. Even your balance checkouts will be automatically added to Airtable. You can either like choose to have like the orders written. You can just go to add a module, go to like Shopify, and you can just yeah, watch orders, and then each and every time an order is like selected, you can just add it to your Airtable. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. And like I said, I will be giving this one too. Okay, this one I will be giving this one away for free. This whole automation. So if you want to like get this automation, you just have to like DM me on Instagram. Just write the word automation, and I will send this whole automation to you. So that's it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to subscribe my channel, like the video, and if there's anything wrong, or if you want to like give me any reviews or anything, be sure to type in the comments. So bye.